In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text color. Customizing text color is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your documents and make important text stand out. Whether you're looking to create engaging presentations or simply want to add a pop of color to your notes, this step-by-step guide will show you how easy it can be. To start, simply head over to Notion, the versatile app that lets you organize your thoughts, plans, and projects in one place. Once you've launched Notion, the next step is to select and open the page where you want to change your text color. This could be a new page you're working on, or an existing document that needs a bit more visual emphasis. Opening the page in Notion is as simple as finding it in your workspace and clicking on it. With your page open and ready, the next thing you'll need to do is highlight the text that you want to change the color of. This highlighting action is fundamental. It's akin to selecting the text you might want to bold or italicize. But this time, we're giving it a colorful makeover. So go ahead, click and drag your cursor over the section of text that's in need of that color boost. Once your text is highlighted, you'll want to bring up the menu for customization. You can do this by using a handy keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and the /T simultaneously on your keyboard. This combination opens up a menu designed to help you format text quickly and effectively without needing to navigate through several menus manually. Now, within this menu, you have a couple of choices on how to proceed with coloring your text. If you already have a predefined color preference in mind, you can simply start typing the name of the color. As you type, Notion will filter through options and present you with color choices that match your input. It's a fast and efficient way to get precisely the color you have in mind. But what if you're not sure which color you want, or you just want to see the options available? No worries there. You can also select from a list provided right there by Notion. This list displays a range of colors, allowing you to preview what looks best for your page. Simply scroll through and click to select the color that catches your eye, and watch as your text transforms immediately. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to customize text color in Notion. This feature is a fantastic way to make your work more visually appealing and ensure that important information catches the reader's attention. Give it a try and see how a splash of color can refresh your documentation today.